How to replace a Human Touch Novo Flex massage mechanism fabric cover. You will need a wire cutter, paper clip, and a zip tie. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Unzip the top of the backrest pad. Unzip the front of the backrest pad from the foot and calf massager upholstery. Unzip the front of the backrest pad from the chair. Locate the air hoses on the right-hand side of the backrest pad near the front, then disconnect the hoses. Cut the zip tie that secures the excess heat cable, then disconnect the connectors. Disconnect the air hoses and heat connectors on the left-hand side of the backrest pad. Locate the backrest pad zippers just behind the wood arm panels, then unzip both sides of the pad. Remove the pad from the chair. Using a paper clip, unzip both massage mechanism cover zippers, then remove the cover. Now, let's replace it. Use a paper clip to zip the massage mechanism cover to the chair. Place the backrest pad into position. Zip both sides of the pad to the chair. Connect the left-hand heat cables and air hose. Make sure the air hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Align the hook and loop fasteners on the underside of the pad with those on the chair, then press down on the pad to secure it. Connect the right-hand heat connectors, then bundle the excess cable and secure it using a new zip tie. Cut the excess zip tie. Connect the right-hand air hose, making sure the hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Align the hook and loop fasteners on the underside of the pad with those on the chair, then press down on the pad to secure it. Zip the front of the pad to the chair. Zip the front of the pad to the foot and calf massager upholstery. Zip the top of the backrest pad to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.